It's about to be lit, y'all. Of course, that new iPhone 11 Pro right here. I went for the gold finish, y'all. Of course, gold has been around. I love going for the gold iPhones, the gold era. And now today is the day for you guys. I'll be unboxing, of course, the iPhone. All right, Lucas Nation and K.L.P Worldwide fans. Today is the day. Yes, this is the iPhone 11 Pro. I decided to go with a gold finish. A lot of people went for the new green, emerald color, the new green, dark green, space moon green. I think that's what they're calling it. I wanted to go for the gold simply because I really like the gold in comparison to my iPhone XS. I went for the gold when that phone came out. So now, an update, an upgrade for the iPhone 11. Highly anticipated. You guys can go on the Lucas Chat podcast, and I talk so much about this phone. Your box is really nice. That black finish is really, really, really nice. Of course, you got the Apple logo there, iPhone, and then just the specs and some information. I went for the 64 gigabyte this time around, just for more space with photography and videography. Of course, the iPhone 11 Pro includes the phone itself, of course, the earpods with lightning connector, USB-C to lightning cable, USB power adapter, and it supports LTE cellular phone, which is my phone is, of course, with LTE with the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, really good for my new AirPods. So let's go ahead and let's unbox this thing, y'all. Wow, I've been waiting, and just off the back, y'all, the unboxing is very simple. You just pull this thing, this little flap down, and it comes off. Made it easier. Apple made it easier. So set that aside. The box itself, very, very nice. It's going on my new iPhone iShrine that I built in my home. Here we go. Oh, I can't stand it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Okay. There's the phone, the finish. Yeah, ready for this? Let's get it. There's something that satisfies when you take the paper off of it. Oh man. Sleek, sleek, sleek. There it is. That newest finish. Gold looking finish. Look at that. Set that on top of that. That's the baby right there. Of course, designed by Apple in California. Of course, you guys got some the lightning power brick for your phone. Let's go ahead and take that off. That's just so satisfying. Of course, you got some earbuds. Sorry, not AirPods, some earbuds. This is actually gonna go to my collection. I don't know if I'm gonna give these away or not. I might give these away. Maybe on the channel or maybe Grizzly Talk podcast. I might give these away because honestly I have a pair of AirPods, so I really don't have much of use really for them. I don't know, comment below, do you want to see a giveaway on this? And if so, what would you like to see a giveaway of? Would you like to see the giveaway of Grizzly Talk podcast or a giveaway of Lucas Chat podcast with K.L.P Entertainment? Most likely I might do a giveaway with Grizzly Talk podcast simply because that is the growth of that Instagram and that whole new era, so I might give these away. So I'm gonna slide that on back up. This, of course, I'm not giving away. I need this to charge the phone. Of course, this is the power USB cable. The box itself, of course, this box, I'm starting an iShrine, which I'll do a separate video on that. I did start an iShrine with the boxes and Apple technology. Of course, it says hello, and right here you get a wonderful, wonderful Apple sticker, 2 Apple stickers. Of course, and right here is the SIM equipment. So my phone is actually due for an upgrade, so I'm going to switch my SIM card and put it in the new phone. That's kind of the whole purpose of it. But there's the SIM card ejector key thing. And of course some instructions on how to use the phone. Of course we already know how to use the phone, so we're gonna boot this thing up. Why don't we? The Apple logo. Sorry, I'm trying to get the most effective camera work with what we got. While that boots up, I'm gonna go ahead and pop my SIM card in here and get my phone kind of situated. Of course, you have the hello, hola. While that's doing that, I want to kind of take my phone out of its case, and I kind of want to kind of compare a little bit. Alright, so here's the phone, my current phone right now. This is the iPhone XS compared to the iPhone 11. There it is. That in comparison is about the same kind of concept design, about the same kind of develop. Now we're going to flip it over to the back as I carefully do this. Huge difference. Huge difference. Let me see if I can zoom out of here real quick. That's as far as it's going to get, but you know, huge difference. Of course, the 3 camera on the iPhone 11, and then you got the 1 camera on the iPhone XS. And then on the bottom, the Apple logo is a little bit lower, as you guys can kind of barely see it, but you know, the gold trim is a little bit different between each other. This the iPhone XS is more of a pinkish purple, like a more of a super hot pink, and then this one's kind of like a apricot kind of pink to it. The bottom with the XS, it has the iPhone logo, and then it doesn't have anything on the iPhone 11. Compare side by side, I would say the iPhones are pretty neck and neck with thinness. That's what I would say. So yeah, I'm gonna boot this phone up. I'm gonna pop in my SIM card, and I'll kind of give you guys an overlook on how the phone looks. Alrighty, Lucas Nation fans, I've got my phone, new phone, booted up. Of course, this is the iPhone 11. This was a easy process for you guys. This process was so easy because on my old phone, all I had to do is had that on, and it transferred all my data from the old phone to this new phone. So it's very snazzy. Of course, this is my home screen. Of course, all the apps and all the stuff we do via it's K.L.P. Entertainment, Grizzly Talk Podcast, all the media, my Hulu, Netflix, my banking account, my social medias, all of that got transferred over with a breeze. It took about 3 minutes to get all of that transferred over to this new phone. So a very simple process for Apple. I applaud Apple for that because simply it was just that simple. And I was able to do that at a quick note. So right here, of course, I text my brother about the phones. I said it's lit. So that new night mode, not gonna show you too much of the text messaging, but that new night mode is amazing, y'all. As I go very quickly with these responses here, very nice. The phone when you call, for sure. Of course, I've got all my contacts and all of them right there. All in new dark mode. Very nice and sleek. So the camera, oh my god, this is a well experienced for sure. So we're here. We've got the table here. Boom. Like I cannot wait. I cannot wait to do some photography. I'm actually meeting my brother today because he actually got the same phone. He went and got the same phone as us because we wanted to test out the new phones, and of course just that new lighting. So I cannot wait to tour with this new camera mode, video mode, same kind of concept. So you got zoom in, you got that, and boom, just like that, you got all that space you can work with in tight corners. So again, I cannot wait to tour with that. Of course, you got your other apps, your regular apps. Of course, got your Facebook, Spotify. I might have to re-download my Swiki Spotify account again. Well, it looks like it's already downloading. It's starting to download right now. So as you guys see, I have like over like 8,000 songs on my playlist. So I'm gonna have that going. So when I get ready to hit the road later tonight, I'll have music to listen to. So I've got that going. 64 gigabytes for sure, y'all. You guys can expect like a full-blown review a week after this video has been released, so I can kind of review the phone and really do how I take. Now I'm doing something very kind of ghetto. I didn't get a case yet, simply because we balling on the budget. So I do have some sort of case to keep it protected. I did have to cut a hole in the back for one of my old cases. Again, a little ghetto, a little weird, but it's gonna do the trick. It's gonna do the work to keep the phone protected, because honestly, I have to make sure I'm careful with this kind of device. Simply because this is a new phone, and I want to make sure that I take good care of it. But again, well worth the investment for sure, and I can't wait to do more unboxings and more videos and more analysis about this phone. Again, the iPhone 11 Pro. So boom, boom. It kind of fits the case, almost a little bit, but again, it's gonna do the job. Again, my ghetto work here for the 3 cameras, but again, I need something like this to keep it nice and safe and durable, so that way it's protected until I can get a case. So again, one of those things is just those cases are expensive, so I have to think very, very smart with the budget. Again, all my widgets and all of my things are low power mode, and all of that is still here. My widgets here, widgets are still here. It's an easy process. That's all I can say on it. It's an easy process. And that's one thing that I am so humbled and so blessed about, having Apple, the way they develop widgets to make it easier for us to switch over to the new phones. So again, back to you in the studio.